2026 is the year of the micro commute. With urban traffic at an all-time high, folding e-bikes have evolved from niche gadgets to essential daily drivers. Today, we're diving into the Global Deal Explorer Vault to reveal the top 5 folding electric bicycles that are dominating the US market right now. From ultra-compact city slippers to fat-tire powerhouses, we found the best deals for your wallet and your commute. Let's ride. Starting our list at number 5 is the DEEPOWER 400-watt commuter. In a market flooded with generic batteries, DEEPOWER stands out by using high-quality LG cells in their 48-volt, 10-amp-hour detachable pack. This isn't just about range, it's about longevity. Its 400-watt brushless motor is whisper quiet, making it the perfect stealth bike for office commuters. It's 14 inches of pure efficiency that fits under a desk or in a closet without breaking a sweat. If you value brand-name reliability in a compact frame, this is your entry point. At number 4, we have a game-changer for parents and duos, the AOVOPRO EB60. It packs a punchier 500-watt motor and hits a respectable 22 mph, but the real selling point? The dual-seat design. It's rare to find a folding 14-inch bike that handles a passenger this well. With a 28-mile range, it's built for those weekend trips to the park or quick school drop-offs. It's sturdy, it's surprisingly fast, and it's the most versatile mini bike on our list this year. Coming in at number 3 is the 14-inch Mini Speedster. Don't let the size fool you. This is the sleeper of the group. Despite its tiny footprint, it's pushing a 500-watt motor that cranks out a staggering 24 mph. It features a 3-level pedal assist system that feels intuitive, whether you're a teen heading to class or an adult tackling a hilly city block. It's the ultimate last-mile solution, light enough to carry up 3 flights of stairs, but fast enough to keep up with city traffic. Number 2 is for the heavy hitters. The Cybervelo EK4 is a beast. We're moving up to 20-inch fat tires and a massive 1,000-watt motor. This isn't just a commuter, it's a weekend adventurer. With a 48-volt, 20-amp-hour battery, you're looking at a jaw-dropping 80-mile max range. It hits speeds over 30 mph and features a 7-speed drivetrain for those steep inclines. If you have a long commute or want to hit the trails without bringing a second bike, the Cybervelo is the powerhouse that folds. And finally, taking the top spot for 2026 is the Uplead GS5. This bike wins because it bridges the gap between mini and mighty. It features 14-inch fat tires, giving you the portability of a small bike with the grip and comfort of a fat tire cruiser. Powered by a 740-watt motor and a premium 15-amp-hour battery, it hits 30-plus mph with ease. But the real winner is the suspension, a 5-fold shock system that makes it feel like you're riding on a cloud. It's the most balanced, high-performance folding bike we've seen this year. The Uplead GS5 is the king of the fold. Which of these legendary 2026 models do you think will best suit your needs? Let us know in the comments. Check out the links in the description to find the latest Explorer deals on all 5 models. And if you order from the link in the description, you'll get a great discount. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be the first to get updates. We are the Global Deal Explorer, helping you find the best cars at the best prices. See you on the road.